Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at the affiliate marketing secrets that not many people are actually going to teach you. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so you are here in this video because you've already started your affiliate marketing journey probably, and you either went through some courses, you watched some YouTube videos, and you even took some action on your part, but still you are wondering and you're struggling at some point, and you're wondering what is it that those successful affiliate marketers are doing that is missing from your affiliate marketing business. So in this video, we are going to look at pretty much the three fundamentals that not many people are actually teaching, and from my personal view and my personal experience, these are the three most important things that I wish I knew before I started affiliate marketing back maybe 2-3 years ago. So let's get started with the number one thing, which maybe some of you already know, but those of you who don't, then this is going to be a huge thing. So first of all, I'm going to use our whiteboard over here. So the first one is to choosing the right product. All right, the product. Now, this might sound trivial, but I'm going to explain to you why this is so important. Now, what do I mean by choosing a good product? It means that it needs to have, a good price points and upsells in kind of like in the back-end system. All right, now one of the biggest mistakes I did when I was starting out with affiliate marketing was promoting and choosing pretty much a product that had literally just one sale product, all right, that was worth maybe $20 if I remember it correctly, and that was it. Right? Nothing else, nothing afterwards was there. It was just $20 and that's it. Right? So even though I made some sales because I was using paid advertisement, I was never in profit, right? Because I made maybe 2-3 sales, but I invested maybe $100 into ads. So when you count it, even though that was like high commission, maybe 90%, so let's say I would earn $20, so that's still $40 in loss, right, every time. Now, fortunately, I stopped that very quickly. I realized that, okay, this is not going well, and then, I kind of researched and did some more of it. But this is one of the reasons, and this took me time to really understand this. So that's why, choosing a good product is really, really important. Now, what was wrong with this $20 product was not the the front end, right? Because the first product, which can be those $20, should be somewhere, like a very low entry barriers, all right? So somewhere around, usually it is around, so it should be around, let's say $7 to $50, okay? That's like the front end. Now, why is this so important to have a product like this? This means that, selling a $7 product is always easier than selling $500 product, right? The decision making for a $7 product is maybe 2 minutes or not even that, right? For $500, it could be a week, all right? That's like just a little bit of the marketing. So the important thing is to get this customer, their feet wet into the product itself. However, what is important? So the product that I had, the $20 product, was fine with this, all right? Nothing wrong, okay? It's in the middle of it, but the problem was that there was nothing afterwards, right? And that's what we call upsells, all right? You need to have a good a value ladder, which means there are going to be upsells for this customer that can actually buy more from the same product, okay? Like upgrades. So let's say the front end is $7 to $50, then the the upsell one is going to be, I don't know, let's say $97, all right? Upsell 2 is going to be $197, all right? And so on and so forth. Upsell 3 might be, $497. And usually there is it ends, or it can go upsell 4, 5, 6, 7, up until you actually want, but usually it ends with some a high-end one-on-one coaching, which might be for, let's say, $997, okay? Now, if my product of the $20 product would have something like this, I would probably make a really good money with it, all right? Because now, instead of earning only $20 per customer, I can potentially earn all of these together, all right? I'm not going to do the math at the moment, all right? But you get the idea, all right? So that's 997 plus 497 and so on and so forth, okay? You can earn commissions from all of these. So this is very, very important to have in place a good product, because otherwise you're going to lose money rather than actually making money, okay? Especially with paid ads. All right, so that's number one thing to really know about and be aware of. Now, what is the second thing is the conversion system. Now, this might look a little bit scary, conversion system, and something that you might say, okay, this is something I am not really fond of. Very easy to do, all right? However, many people are actually teaching the wrong way, okay? People are going to tell you to kind of like send traffic directly to the offer, okay? Offer, which is pretty much the same thing, or another thing is having an opt-in page where you collect emails, all right? Opt-in and then to offer. Now, both of these methods are pretty much the same as you would stop a stranger on the street and tell him, stop, buy this product, change your life, whatever it might be. That stranger would probably never even listen to you, first of all, and they would probably tell you to get the F out of here, right? Because it's a stranger, it's not how you sell, right? Now, you need to implement yourself into the whole system, into the whole conversion system. Now, how do you do that? You do it by creating something called a bridge page, all right? Now, in the normal sales process, in the kind of like face-to-face process, you would probably, speak face-to-face with the person, right? That you're selling them. And that's kind of like your bridge. That's kind of like how you enter in the process. Now, online, it's a little bit different, but essentially it's the same. You create a bridge page, all right? After the opt-in page, you create a bridge page, and then you send it to offer. Now, this bridge page can be anything from a kind of like a video, all right, where you teach people a certain thing in their niche, all right? So let's say they are after, how to make money online, all right? And even though you may be a beginner, you can tell them, all right, in this bridge page that, listen guys, this is a great tip that I learned, whatever it is, all right? And it might be something about this bridge page, okay? Or even about this product you already know that, okay, here is, I need to have a product like this. So you can teach them in this bridge page something about this, or whatever you find, obviously, right? So just implement yourself into the whole process. Now, this is where kind of like the magic happens, that we say, all right? Because now these people know who you are, and even though they're not going to buy the product straight away, because not many people are actually going to buy straight away, they know who you are. So now you have their email address, and when you are going to send them an email, they know who you are. They know your face, they know your voice, they know what you're about, and they know what to expect from you, all right? And that's, kind of like building the relationship with them, and later on they are going to buy from you, on a more frequent basis, or in a kind of like it's easier to sell them later on when they actually know you. All right, guys, so that's the conversion system. Now, what is the third thing is the traffic, right? The never-ending question about how to get traffic. Now, guys, the traffic is, the thing is, I thought for a long time that I have problem with traffic, that I don't have enough leads, I don't have people coming to my pages and all of that stuff. But the thing is that I realized later on that it's not really about the traffic, it's more about how I approach this traffic, right? About how I talk to this traffic, how I talk to the people. Because traffic is everywhere, right? You go on social media, and pretty much everybody is on social media, right? Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and all of this stuff, right? If you want, you can use paid advertisements, and you can have literally traffic on tap, right? So the problem is not really with traffic like where to find it. It's more about how you speak with them, how you approach this traffic, because traffic you can find literally as we just spoke. You know, it can be free traffic, organic traffic, or paid advertisement. So if we go for, you know, the free advertisement, you can go for YouTube, all right, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok is booming, all right, TikTok, let's just say TikTok, okay, YouTube, Instagram, Google, all right, blogging, all right, and all of these sorts. These are kind of like the best ways to go for. Okay, I heavily use YouTube, as you can see. I use also Instagram, Facebook, and these other things, not that much, but I know people, other affiliates that I work with that are using other sources as well, and they are doing great. So it's all about how you approach these people. You know, it's you can, the thing is, you can create loads and loads of videos, and nobody is going to go through or do the action that you want them to do, okay? And then you can create a handful of videos, and these people are going to do the actions that you actually want them to do. So it's really about, you know, how you approach these people, how you talk with them in those videos, in those posts, or whatever it is. So study, my advice to you is study the big ones, okay? The big affiliate marketers. What are they doing? How are they talking? And try to model them, all right? That's a very important thing to do. Again, paid advertisement, you can go, you know, for anything, okay? Now, again, pretty much all the same with these. I'm not going to write it again, it's pretty much the same. So really, guys, these are the three kind of like the top things which are really fundamentals. And you know, many people think they know it, but when you see it in this way, I really hope that you found a few things that, okay, this is something I didn't know, this is something really helpful. Hope you get some aha moments, I hope so, because this was really what I wish I knew when I was starting with affiliate marketing, because honestly, when I was starting out, it was just like a whole bunch of just crappy information that I received, all right? So I hope this really helped you guys, all right? If so, give me thumbs up, let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, all right? And listen, guys, if you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, all right? If you want to build an affiliate marketing business that brings in the consistent sales and profits, and you want to learn how to implement all of this that we just spoke about, right? Then I have a 4-day video series where I go in great detail about all of that, right? It's completely free and you get full access to it. So if you choose to go for it, it's the first link in the description below. So just click on it and you will receive it completely for free, and I will see you inside of it. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye, guys.